Alright, so you made it in and you're ready to learn how to make money with ClickFunnels. So once you implement the strategy that I'm going to teach you and you make 100 sales, ClickFunnels is going to pay for your dream car. So I think that's pretty cool. What about you? Alright, so with that being said, what is this? How does this even work? ClickFunnels is a software where business owners can use to create their own sales processes, build funnels, landing pages, membership areas, and all that type of stuff, okay? So they make it easy for normal folk who don't have coding skills to edit and drag and drop all type of elements to build their perfect process that helps their business. So I'm gonna teach you how to implement it. Alright, so we finna go in the house, and once I go in here, I'm gonna teach you the strategy. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so I made it in the house and I'm about to get ready to teach you this strategy, okay? But I got a secret, and don't tell nobody this secret, okay? But the secret is, most people who get in ClickFunnels to promote, they target the wrong people. They target people who've been online for years, who already have a system. And that makes it a difficult sell because you got to try to convince them and all that stuff, and it's just too much. So what I'm telling you to do is target local businesses and small business owners. Because what I've realized during my years in research is that these people have sale processes online that suck, and they know nothing about having a funnel or a sales presentation that's built to help them and make their job easier. So this is what we're gonna do. All right, we're gonna target real estate brokers, people who sell homes, okay? And these people, for one, they make a good bit of money, which means that them having this service is not going to kill them. And excuse my birds, I think they're a little happy. But it's not going to kill a real estate broker because they'll have the money to pay $97 a month for the ClickFunnels membership, which that's what it is. So now I'm about to show you the funnel itself, and I'm going to pretty much show you how to put everything together and put it in place. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so like I was saying earlier, most real estate brokers, they have terrible processes, and just like anybody else. So what I did was built this funnel for real estate brokers, and as you can see, it says discover your dream home today with the most trusted and down-to-earth realtor. And they got a section where you collect the emails right here, and right here this will be a place where their video will go, where they personally will make a video, you know, telling the people thank you for coming to the page, we got beautiful homes for sale and all that. And then they got a picture of a nice home, and it's just pleasant to look at. It's better than just going to a generic website and all you got is a bunch of houses that you can't click on and do nothing with. And the business owner himself, he has no way to follow up with anybody, collect emails, and see who's actually been to his site. So that's very important, okay? So you're gonna download this funnel for free, okay? In the box below, it's a button. It's a button in the box. You click that button, and it's gonna take you to download this funnel for free. All right, you're gonna give it out for free to small business owner. I'm telling you, once you put this in front of a realtor, it's a wrap, because that's what I'm doing. So you can pretty much apply this to any business. You can edit it, change the backgrounds and all that different stuff. So like I said, click that button below and it's going to take you to download this. Now, I got a free private Facebook group where you will be in, which it'll teach you other strategies and techniques so you can take this to the stratosphere, all right? So with that being said, click this link, get this funnel for free. And if you don't have it, then you will go to a 14-day free trial. If you don't have ClickFunnels, you can try for 14 days. But if you do the strategies and implement it how I'm telling you to do it, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to, after 14 days, continue with this, all right? So with that being said, click the button, get the funnel, and let's rock out, all right? Peace.